Hi, I'm Sean Sposato with Inside the Magic. I'm here with Andrew at Adventure Falls. Andrew, what can guests expect with this new attraction here at Adventure Island?
So we've got 3 new slides actually. We've got 2 drop slides and a conventional body slide. So a little bit of options for the people that are a little bit too scared to go in here or get to the top and say, not for me. So we've got another option for them to go down this slide.
Awesome. Now there's a lot of slides here and attractions already. What makes this attraction different from all the others?
This slide is completely different than the others. So the whole floor dropping up from under you aspect of it is just a game changer for a slide.
Awesome. Now for those who live in Orlando and don't usually come to Tampa or over this area for different water attractions, what would you say to them to inspire them to come out here for this attraction?
Well, this is a great attraction. We've got several other great attractions throughout the park, so we've got a lot for everybody in the whole family to do. This is just one of our newest thrill attractions, but we've got family rides, we've got everything.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Andrew. I guess it's time for me to do it now.
All right. Well, good luck. You can step around the side of here, and he'll get you in the slide.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Arms and legs crossed.
Please enter. Three, two, one, launch!
Oh my god. Wow. That was crazy.